In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Doordash as a Dasher and start delivering. We'll keep it simple and clear, beginning right at the source. First, head to the official Doordash Dasher sign-up page. You'll be asked to create your account by entering your mobile number, a valid email address, your zip or postal code, and a secure password. Use contact details you check often because you may receive verification codes or important updates during the process. Make sure your zip or postal code reflects where you plan to dash, as this helps set your delivery region. When creating your password, choose something strong and unique and keep it private. Before you submit, double check your information for accuracy, then continue. If you see any prompts to verify your phone or email, complete those right away so your application doesn't stall. Next, you'll submit your identification and complete the background and, if applicable, driving record check. This usually involves uploading a clear photo of a government-issued ID and confirming your legal details. If you'll be driving, you may also be asked for information related to your license and, in some areas, proof of insurance or vehicle details. These checks are standard and help ensure safety on the platform. Processing time can vary from minutes to a few days, so keep an eye on your email and the application portal for updates or requests for clarification. If something is rejected because it's hard to read, simply retake the photo in good lighting, make sure all corners of the document are visible, and resubmit. Only provide information through the official Doordash website or app, and avoid sharing personal details through texts or messages that are not part of the sign-up flow. Once you're approved, download the Dasher app from your device's official app store and sign in with the same credentials you created earlier. The app will guide you through finishing setup, which typically includes confirming your delivery vehicle type, enabling location services and notifications, and adding your payout method so you can receive earnings. Take a moment to learn the app's home screen, how to go online, and where to find hotspots. Before you start your first dash, it's helpful to have your phone charged, a reliable data connection, and any basic delivery gear you prefer to use. When you're ready, go online in the app, accept an order that fits your schedule, follow the in-app navigation, and complete the drop-off as instructed. That's it, you're up and running. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll move smoothly from sign-up to your first delivery. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your first dash.